Hello, my name is Elias Camacho, and I'm going to be presenting my working fluid sim for the activity of ElectroPneumatics. This is exercise 1, the reciprocal blocking system, which is the one in which I have to control both cylinders following two different sequences according to two different programs. Here I have the circuit that selects which program you're using and has the push button and the configuration of priority to the activation so that each sequence keeps running. And well, like here I have a circuit that has the sensors and activates its respective relay according to the position of each of the cylinders. And I have the circuit of the logic of the sequences, which extend or contract the cylinders depending on on its position and on the sequence that the program which that was chosen. So we start the simulation. And well, first we'll see program 1. I hit program 1. We can see that the sequence is being made, extension of A, B, contraction of A, and then contraction of B. And we can see that if I hit program 2, nothing will happen because I have to hit this normally closed button to reset the system. I hit it, and now I'll choose program 2, and I hit it, and we can see the sequence is B. First is the program starts with an extract with B extended, and when we have extension of A, contraction of both, and extension of B at the end. Yep. Now we move on to exercise 2, the packing system. And well, this is a more simple or simpler system. We have the pneumatic part. I also have a separate circuit for the sensors and that detected position of the cylinders, and I have a circuit that follows the logic of the sequence. This too is in priority to the activation, and well, it follows it. It is arranged so that the sensors activate each movement according to what I reduced in the for the functions of the movements. And well, let's see it work. We have it here. We can see that there's no energy passing yet because I haven't activated this push button. I hit it, and we'll see the sequence. We have the sequence according to the phase diagram, and well, we can see that it's still running, and that's because of the configuration of how it's configured, and it's I'm assuming that there are infinite boxes that are being detected by this sensor one, so that's why it keeps going. So if I want to stop it, I just hit the button and it resets, and if I want to continue, it continues. Now we have exercise 3, which is a sequence that looks for the first extension of A, contraction of A. We have extension of B, then extension of C, contraction of C, and contraction of B. And well, the thing about this system is that it needed to be solved with cascade, and I also solved it with step by step. This is the cascade solution. We can see because we have the different groups, and they are arranged with their respective activation of the group. So we have a whole circuit that controls all of the system, and now we have 3 double action cylinders. So we hit start. And well, I have to, like all the other systems, I have to hit the push button, hit it. We can see that we're in, first we were in group 1, we move to group 2, and then we finish in group 3. And we can see that it follows the sequence that I mentioned. So, and it keeps going. It keeps going because of the configuration, which is also a priority to the activation. I need to hit this button to reset the system. And again, I hit it and start it again. And we can see how it goes from group 1, group 2, group 3. Finally, we'll have the same exercise, but now solved with the step-by-step method, which is basically the same as the cascade method. Now the only difference is that I have the logic of changing groups and moving from group 1 to group 2 to group 3 is first, and then I have the actual actions that are made in each of the groups and the sequence divided into groups with the sensors and the relays that activate the solenoids that move the cylinders. You can see that I already hit play, and same, it will work the same way as the cascade system. We can see the cylinders work the same way. So let's see it. Here we can see that it's the same sequence. And again, we can see how groups are changing. Now we have to look two sides. We see in which the group one, and then it goes to group 2 here and group 2 here. And then it goes to group 3 here and group 3 here.